Fast.
Hello everyone. The next topic which I'm gonna explain to you is how to raise a request and a complaint in Saya. For this, you need to go to the request and complaint bar over here, the request and the complaint tab, and after this, the next thing which you're gonna do is the ticket space over here. You can either raise a request or a complaint from this tab over here, or can you opt for the shortcut right here, raise a ticket. That's right. Now that depends upon the subject on which you want to raise a ticket. For you, we have taken care of including every other possibility or a request that you want to raise. So this includes a list of all the request that you may have. For example, if you are having or you need a glow sign board, so you can just click in over here, need glow sign board, and you can place your remark over there. So the next thing you gotta place a remark. For example, I place a remark, need a glow sign board. Now, in the message bar, you can type in the size, the physicality, the location, like what kind of a glow sign board do you want, what is the prime location, and all sort of other details. For my ease of and for your ease of understanding, I'm writing a test check. I'm not into getting into the specifications. Now the next thing is that you can upload a file, like upload a file in the sense that if you want to upload the picture of the space when you want to put up the glow sign board, you just need to go to browse files. Let me just upload a small little file here. For example, just hang on. For example, I'm uploading this file. So you need to go to upload. Just let me remind you that only the browse file and just clicking on it won't won't resolve the purpose. You need to click on upload button right here. After having clicked on upload, now the file gets uploaded, and then you click on submit. In the submit button, after having done so, your ticket is being, this is a unique ticket ID. So now your ticket will be resolved within a day, like in the next 24 hours. It's like almost certain that it's going to resolve in the next 24 hours. The next thing which I'm going to show is like what is a pop-up and how does it get resolved. So for that you need to wait a moment. So before I go further to show you like how the ticket, like how you get the notification of the ticket being resolved, let me show you that the ticket which has been raised is booked under the pending tickets. Now you see this ticket which we had raised, this is booked under the pending ticket. So this is the concerned department, the concerned person is going to resolve your issue. So thus it is showing in the pending tickets. Now after this issue gets resolved, you'll find that the pending tickets gets blank. There's no pending tickets will be there. It will be resolved. So we gotta wait a moment for that and get the notification. You see here, this update comes over here that you have one new message since last update. This shows that my ticket has been resolved. Now when I go there, just hang on. Go to new request. After that, pending tickets. You see, this ticket gets resolved. So this is how this software works. It's like very user friendly and like it serve all the purpose that you need. Thank you.